What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today we are going to show you how to use $500 in DeFi without paying ridiculous gas fees. Alright guys, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, that way you guys are notified every time I make a new one. And guys, if you subscribe to the channel, leave it in the comments below. Let me know that you subscribed. Let me know that you smashed the like. And if you liked, subscribed, and hit that bell notification, you will be enrolled for a monthly drawing for $100 in BTC. So if you guys want to do that, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Let's go and get into it, guys. You got $500 and you want to know how to use DeFi? Well, guys, you can get some massive gains and earn some serious interest on that. I'm going to show you guys a couple of strategies I'm currently using and how to use them. This is a lot of fun. So the first one is AAVE. AAVE is massive. So check this out. Alright, so I know it looks like a crazy slate right now, but it's really cool. We'll actually do this real quick. I'll show you guys an example. So this is how you can compound your yields. So I currently have a 1.17% health factor. This is not considered good, but I do have a lot of stables, so it's considered to be stable. However, if you're using like your Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., you need to be careful. Now, the reason why I like using AAVE and on the Polygon network is because the gas fees are like 1/1000th of a penny. So you can do 1,000 transactions and it finally equals 1 penny. So let me show you what I mean. So first, let me show you guys how to compound yields. So I want to deposit something. I don't have any in my wallet, so that's fine. Okay, perfect. I'll just borrow some money. Now you guys are like, borrow? Well, aren't you going to have to pay on that? Well, let me go ahead and borrow $1,000. I'll show you guys what happens. I'm going to pay 4% on it. Okay, well, 4%, that's not too bad. My health factor is going to come down a bit. We'll go ahead and confirm this transaction. It's fractions of a penny, so I'm cool with it. So now I'm borrowing $1,000. Awesome. The transaction took like 3 seconds too, so it's even better. Great, so I have $1,000. Okay, so now, wait, I'm paying 4% interest on it. Why would I do that? Well, look at this, guys. It's 4% is what I need to pay, and I'm earning 5.52% in Matic. So technically, they're paying me 1.52% in Matic. Now you guys are like, well, it's Matic tokens. Matic is trash. Okay, I don't care what you think about Matic. That's fine. Just go over to QuickSwap, and you can dump your Matic tokens as soon as you want. So you can say, yeah, I want to dump my Matic. I want to swap my Matic to, I want to say DAI. If depending on how much you have, one Matic token is going to equal $1.75. So instead of just keeping your Matic, you can dump it and get some cash for it. That's fine. Go for it. Do what you guys want. So now back to the protocol. Okay, I got a 1.13 health factor. That's not healthy. Okay, that's fine. Let's go ahead and increase it, make that health factor better, and earn interest doing it. Okay, so now it's 1.16. Now I can go ahead and borrow again after I do this. So let's go ahead and let this transaction go through. If I'm going too fast, guys, there's a little gear icon at the bottom of this video when it uploads. Just change the gear icon, go to like 0.75 speed or 0.50, and it'll be slower. But anyways, quick tip. And if you guys are new to the channel, there's some links in the description below. You get a reward, I get a reward. It's a win-win, so make sure you check those out. It's just like a little affiliate links for like KuCoin. You got, what is the other one? BLOCKFI, Celsius, they're all fun. So now my health factor is 1.16%. Awesome. And now I'm earning 2.88% interest. So technically, if you guys, I'm going to do the math for you, I'm only paying 1.12% interest for DAI. And I'm getting paid 10% or 9.93% in Matic tokens. So you can call it, I'm getting paid 10% in Matic, and I'm paying 1.12% in USD or DAI. So technically I'm getting 9% for free. So now you guys are looking at that like, why are they doing that? Well, it's not always going to be like that, guys. Just for this year, Matic is providing a liquidity grant program. So guys, you got to get in while it's early. And yes, it is legit. Here's the available reward I had to claim. This is just for like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours this morning. And this translates to, what is that, 10 bucks, 11 bucks? Yeah, just about 10 bucks. So calculate it in, 10 bucks a day, well, not a day. It would probably be about 20 bucks a day at the current Matic prices. And for 365 days, that's basically getting $7,300 for free, for nothing. I know it looks like I provided $51,000. No, I didn't actually provide $51,000. Actually, I believe it was just 17 that I threw in, and then I just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, auto compounding. So that's the first strategy, is using AAVE. Now, that's great and all, awesome, Drake, but there's got to be some other junk. Yeah, there is. There's a thing called Sushiswap. So now Sushiswap is pretty fire. If you guys want to play around with this, you can borrow, you can swap, you can get yields on this. Now let me show you guys how you can provide liquidity. So first, me personally, I don't like doing things like Ethereum and stablecoins because you'll get wrecked with impermanent loss. If you don't know what impermanent loss is, if the tokens both go up, great. If they both go down, okay. If one goes up and one stays the same, you're going to get wrecked. I played a video on impermanent loss. You can check out my channel. Just type in impermanent loss in my channel and you'll be able to pull that up now. In case and if you guys weren't paying attention, look, I just typed in impermanent loss. Do not stake cryptos until you watch this. This is the video you guys need to watch. By the way, since we're already on my channel, make sure you go to my channel, open up any of these videos, and smash that subscribe button. So click any of the videos that you guys want and hit that subscribe. That little button that's like, yeah, like. I don't even have the subscribe. It won't let me. But there's a subscribe button and hit that bell notification. Make sure you guys do that, John. All right, so back to the video. So first, you got the yield. So awesome, great. I want to do USDC and DAI. Okay, cool. I'll start doing this. I'm currently harvesting Sushi and Matic doing this. This is pretty fire. And you earn 20%. 20%, guys. Well, obviously, it's not all in Matic. This one's a little bit different. You are going to be getting a little more Matic than you do Sushi. But either way, it's a win-win. It's bomb, it's fire. So, I want to add liquidity. Great. So you click add liquidity. You choose the pool you want. And you deposit the tokens that you need to deposit. So after you deposit these, this section will say, all right, well, it says insufficient DAI balance because I don't have it. It'll allow me to provide liquidity. Let me go and grab some DAI so I can show you guys. All right, guys, so now I got some DAI in USDC. So this little button, you say confirm adding liquidity. This will charge you the rates. It'll automatically do all the rates for you. And you guys see I will get 0.000000987.853 USDC DAI pool tokens. So now once I get those tokens, now I come back to the lend pool. I'm sorry, not lend, yield pool. So once I go to the yield, I scroll down to the one that I selected, which was USDC and DAI, and then I say SLP. Okay, great. I'll do max and allow me to do max. This will say approve. I hit approve and then I do stake. And then it'll show up, okay, look, you have this much staked. And then I currently have them staked and I can harvest my rewards at any time. Let me show you guys. All right, cool. I'm going to harvest some Sushi and Matic. Bam. So I literally harvest some Sushi and Matic. That was fun. That was cool. Awesome. So guys, that is the other protocol, Sushi. So you got AAVE, Sushi, and I told you there was another one. The third one is Curve. All right, guys. So Curve is really cool. Curve has the Polygon network. If you guys have not already added the Polygon network on your MetaMask, well, go to my channel, type in Matic on MetaMask. How to add Matic network. This video right here, this is all you'll need to do it. You'll get your Matic network on there, have fun, get it done. So now I want to go ahead and stake some junk. So I go to this section that says pool. So this is really cool. You can either withdraw liquidity that you had over on AAVE, or, yeah man, guys, that's not healthy. I need to hurry or I'm going to get liquidated. Or you can say, all right, I don't want to do anything. I want to leave my tokens that were on AAVE. I just want to deposit my AUSD tokens. That's fine. You can do that as well. You see this section that says deposit A tokens? Boom. I'll hit deposit A tokens. It'll automatically take it from AAVE and deposit in Curve. Now you guys are like, why the pants would I do that? Why would you withdraw it off AAVE? They're paying some serious gains over there. Well, this is why. USDT is not paid on the markets. So like you don't get paid to deposit, or I'm sorry, you can't use USDT as collateral. Yes, you can deposit, earn 10% interest and 12% interest, but you can't auto compound those yields. So what you can do is you can come over to Curve, you can deposit some A tokens, or you can be like, nah, bruh, I'm going to go ahead and deposit some AUST or USDT, and I'm going to do it this way. All right, that's fine. Go for it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to deposit the AUSD tokens that you want to deposit. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how to do that. All right, so I just increased my health factor, so now I can go borrow some USDT. So I'm going to say, bro, we'll call it an even number. We'll just say, bro, I'm going to borrow $8,500 in USDT, and I'm going to pay 3% for it. Cool. All right, so I'm going to borrow this USDT. All right, so now I borrowed this USDT. I'm going to go ahead and come over here to Curve. So I can either deposit this USDT directly into AAVE if I want to, or I can just say, forget it. I'm going to just go ahead and deposit this into Curve and just use the straight amount of tokens. Make sure you guys lower the slippage. 0.1%, probably can do 0.05%. That might be too low, but hey, we'll test. We'll see what happens. Because hey, geez. So I'm going to use the maximum amount of coins available, and I went ahead and did 0.01 slippage. Hopefully it doesn't fail. If it does, it's okay. I can increase it. The gas fees are super cheap, so it don't matter to me. So I'm going to deposit and stake into Gauge. First, I need to approve this transaction. If you don't know what Gauge is basically the Curve form that it uses. Okay, so it said, boom, sorry, slippage messed you up. Okay, we'll try 0.05, see if that helps a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and deposit and stake into Gauge. Guys, it's not the end of the world. For the amount I'm using, it's $4. For the amount of $500, it's going to cost you like $1. No, not even. It's going to be like 50 cents. So it says it may fail, but we'll see what happens. I better hurry it up. All right, so I went ahead and swapped my tokens. It's going to give me some Curve AAVE LP tokens. And the 0.05% worked. Great. So now it's deposited automatically into the Gauge platform. And you guys are like, well, how do you know that? I don't see it. Well, go to the home page and you're going to hit, boom, this one. Did you guys see those rates, by the way? Look, 3.81% interest base APY. So this is going to be paying me in USDT, and I'm going to be getting 24% interest paid in Matic. That's pretty fire. And here's a breakdown of how, well, actually, that's not the breakdown. That's to deposit some more. But go to My Dashboard. And this My Dashboard right here shows, okay, this is my current balance. I know it says $8,512. It's a little incorrect because I deposited like, I think it was 16 bucks or 15 bucks or something. So playing around with it. So after all these transactions, I lost like $3. But that's okay. I'll recoup it within, what, I think a day? Yeah, so look, I'm getting $6.57 per day. So I'm getting $2.99 wrapped Matic per day. So this is my total daily profits. Now weekly, I'm going to be getting 6.22 USD a week. And I'm going to get 20.95 wrapped Matic per week. So basically I'm getting paid 46 bucks, and every month I'm going to be getting paid about $200 a month. And now that's pretty fire, guys. So if you want to ever claim these tokens, if you ever want to, you can click on this protocol and say, wow, this is so, you could be like, yep, I want to go and withdraw. So you hit withdrawal and you come over here and you can either unstake your stake. You can either get it in some DAI, USDC, USDT, or you can be like, bro, I only want some DAI. So fine, you can withdraw it all in DAI. You can be like, bro, I only want USDC. So you say USDC. You can be like, nah, man, I only want USDT or nothing. So then you can get USDT. Or you can be like, bro, I just want to claim my wrapped Matic. So you can say, all right, I'm going to claim my wrapped Matic. It'll give you your rewards. You get your wrapped Matic. Go about your day. Keep doing your junk. That's it. So guys, that's how you use the Curve protocol. That's how you get your tokens back. So that's the third staking platform. Now, there's probably a fourth, fifth, and a sixth, but these are my three favorite ones that I like to use. And guys, the gas fees on Polygon, they're so cheap. Amount, -0 Matic. Okay, here's the total amount. 0.0001 Matic. Well, one Matic is current, let's just call it $2. we're going to give it overprice. It's like $1.75. So we'll just call it $2. Well, so what's 2 times 0.0001? Well, guys, that's 0.0002 cents. Okay, guys, that's really cheap. If you can't pay that, then you shouldn't be playing around with DeFi. And in comparison to Ethereum, way cheaper. So you can also go on Phantom if you guys want to play around with Phantom as well, but they still don't have any crazy junk going on right over there. It's only like 2% interest, so nothing crazy. And then, of course, you can go on the big boy Ethereum. Ethereum, you are going to pay a lot of gas fees, but this is where most of the innovation is happening. So, guys, if you only have $500 to yield farm with and to use in DeFi, I highly recommend you guys check out Curve, check out AAVE, and Sushi. Guys, and this is a little bit of diversification too, because you're earning Sushi tokens here. I don't want to claim it again. Leave me alone. I know you want me to pay a couple fractions of a penny to you, but not today. You can also earn just straight up Matic and some stablecoin. Not a crazy rate, but just a little bit. Or you can be like, bro, I want just stablecoins and maybe a little bit of Matic because I just want to dump it. That's fine. You can do that too. So you go here, go to Polygon, and you got all your stuff here. I'm getting 3.8% paid in stables and 24% in Matic. If you guys want to dump the wrap Matic, go for it. You just dump it for DAI. Dump it for USDC, whatever you want. Not financial advice, guys. I'm just helping and showing you guys here so you guys can get started in DeFi. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, if I brought any value to you guys, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time this talking computer screen goes ahead and makes a new video for you. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And as always, we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Be sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you guys are put into a pool for winning $100 in BTC. It's a monthly drawing, guys. Don't miss out. Do not answer a fool according to his folly, or you yourself will be just like him. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.